Look up at any city skyline and you'll spot them, those towering mushroom-shaped water towers. They're not just landmarks, they're the backbone of our water supply. Water towers store treated water and use gravity to create pressure, pushing water through pipes to every tap, shower, and hospital. This simple system ensures water flows even to the highest floors and during power outages. During peak demand, like busy mornings, water towers supplement supply, keeping everything running smoothly. They're a city's emergency reserve, vital for firefighters and public health. Without them, daily life would grind to a halt. The secret is gravity. Water pumped up high flows down with force, delivering pressure without constant energy use. Water towers provide stability, security, and a buffer against disruptions. They're the unsung heroes of urban life, quietly ensuring every drop reaches us. As cities grow, their importance only increases. Understanding how they work is the first step to appreciating and improving our water systems. Every drop they hold is a drop of life and progress. These silent sentinels are the heart of our city's water networks. For decades, water towers were managed manually. Operators checked levels by hand and pumps ran on fixed schedules. This approach wastes energy, running pumps during expensive peak hours and ignoring real-time demand. Overpumping strains equipment, underpumping risks low pressure and empty reserves. Water quality suffers too. Stagnant water loses chlorine, increasing contamination risk. Operators often flush out water just to be safe, wasting treated water. As cities grow and climate change brings unpredictable demand, these old methods fall short. Urban populations are booming, and extreme weather makes water needs harder to predict. The system is inflexible, expensive, and unsustainable. We're using outdated tools for modern challenges. The result? Higher costs, wasted resources, and greater risk. It's clear we need a smarter, more adaptive approach. Protecting our water means rethinking how we manage it. Enter artificial intelligence, a digital brain for our water systems. AI connects to sensors across the network, monitoring water levels, flow, and pressure in real time. It learns the city's unique water patterns, predicting demand based on weather, holidays, and events. Instead of fixed schedules, AI decides the best time to run